Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to export images in Figma. So right here I have something that I would want to export. What you want to do first is go to the design tab right here and then open up export. Now you can close this and open this right here. It's the last one. Now what I recommend is exporting in PNG, because for some reason PNG has better quality in Figma. If you want to export in JPEG, you have to like put ×4 quality or something. So, and plus I'm gonna export this in PNG, because if I exported it in JPEG, it's gonna export this as a square image. I don't want a square image. I want these parts, the corners, to be transparent. So I'm just gonna select PNG, export default. Let's just type in, let's do that, and save. And there you go. That's how to export images in Figma. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.